We're going to work through these questions here. As we're going through it, you should be pausing throughout, giving them a go. That's the best way to learn. All right, let's go through this first row here. This it's log of 16 to the base of 2. So what exactly are we going to do here? Sometimes the best way to answer these logs is to actually rewrite it in index notation. So this is saying 2 raised to what power is going to be equal to 16? And you know that the answer will be 4. X will be equal to 4 in this case. So 4 is our answer. All right, give this one a go. So this is saying 6 raised to what power is going to be equal to 36? Well, you know X is going to be equal to 2, and that's what goes there. This next one is a bit trickier. This one is saying 10 raised to what power is going to be 1 on 1,000? Well, in order for this to work, would you not agree with me that this has to be -3? Because if it's -3, that's the same as 1 on 10 cubed. Therefore, the X is equal to 3 because 10 cubed is 1,000. So this would be 3 there. All right. Oh, sorry. And -3 rather. -3. All right. Let's now give the next one a go. You should pause it, see if you can do it yourself. All right. So this time we're trying to find the argument. So that is saying I've got a base of 5. It's been raised to 3. What goes here? Well, it's just going to be 125. All right. Give this one a go. So this is saying I've got a base of 2. I'm raising it to a power of -1. That's going to give me a half. And then this one is saying I have a base of 16. I'm raising it to a power of 3 on 2. Ooh, now what is 3 on 2? I know that 3 on 2 is the same as the square root of 16 or cubed. And that is the same as 4 cubed. And 4 cubed is 64. So that means 64 goes here. Okay, and lucky last here. Again, you should be pausing it, giving it a go before you watch me do it. Now, what is this saying? This time, I don't know what the base is. I don't know what the base is. So I've got some base raised to the power of 2 and is equal to 81. Well, I know that 9 squared is equal to 81. So that means this has to be 9. Here, I don't know what the base is, but I know that it's raised to the power of 1 and I'm getting 7 out. Well, the only way that works is if X is equal to 7, because 7 to the power of 1 is 7. So 7 would be here. And then the last one here, I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is, but I'm raising it to a half and I'm getting 8 out. Now, what on earth is happening here? Now, perhaps the best way to write this is to write it as a square root, because that's the same thing. That's like this. So the square root of what number is equal to 8? It's 64. So do you see how it's really handy to be able to go back and forth between different notation to get your answer? And if you do that, you'll be successful. Also, it's really important that you know how to use your CAS to do all these skills as well. The log button, which we'll be seeing a lot, is right here. So control that button there. And then once you do that, you can answer any of these questions. So for instance, 636 should give me an answer of 2, which is what we see there. So control log, we're going to be seeing a lot of that. Make sure you can push those buttons. All right. Hopefully this has made sense, and I'll see you in the next part.